In this video, I'll show you how to change the font size on your MacBook. This can help make text easier to read or make things smaller if you want more space on your screen. Let's get started. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, click System Settings. Once System Settings opens, look at the left-hand menu and click Accessibility. Now, click Display. Scroll down until you see the option called Text Size. Click on Text Size. Here you can use the slider to make the text bigger or smaller. Move the slider to the right if you want larger text. Move it to the left if you want smaller text. You may also see options to change the text size for specific apps, such as Finder, Mail, Messages, or Notes. This is useful if you only want bigger text in certain apps, instead of changing it everywhere. After choosing the font size you want, click Done. Now your MacBook will apply the new text size. If you want everything on your screen to appear larger, you can also go to Displays and System Settings and choose a larger text display option. But remember, that method makes everything bigger, including icons, windows, and images. And that's it. That's how to change the font size on your MacBook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.